Hello everybody and welcome to Daily Chains Model. Today we're making wood planks. You want to start off with your research and then add a cube and scale it to the scale of your reference. Then go ahead and duplicate it and scale it and duplicate again and scale it to get some different variations and different size. Then you want to mark your seams and then unwrap it. I want some more variety, some square planks, so I duplicated it, scaled it down on the x-axis by half, and then adjusted the UVs so that matches correctly. And I wanted even more variation, so even shorter ones, scaled the half ones by half again. And you want to adjust the UV map so nothing overlaps and it's space efficient. Next we want to sculpt some details. But before that, we got to make sure that everything is nice and square. I mean the topology, because if you don't have square topology, it's gonna look shit. I went ahead and isolated one of the boards, added a multi-resolution modifier, simplified it up or added some levels, and then started sculpting. I like to use the scrape brush, the draw brush, and the clay brush, and also sometimes the crease brush. Just going around adding details how I imagine wood would look like in my style of the game, using also references of real life wood, so that's factually accurate. I didn't actually look at any references for this. Well, that is one down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 8 more to go. This one was, well, exactly the same, but a little bit thicker, so I could play around to details a little bit more. And, well, that is now 7 more to go. The thicker one was actually pretty fun to do because I could have the lines go onto the other faces and kind of wrap around. Really fun. Well, now there's 3 down and 6 more to go. At this point, it's exactly the same, just smaller, so not really too hard. And, well, that is now halfway done. This is still the same. 4 more to go. Also the same. 3 more to go, also the same. 2 more to go, also the same, just smaller. 1 more to go, and then, well, that is it. That is all the planks done in just a split second. Now it's time to start the baking process. We want to get all of those crispy details onto a low poly mesh. So we want to make a material, add a image texture, and create the texture. I want it to be 2K, so making it 2048, and name your texture whatever you want it to be. In order to bake your texture with the multi-res modifier, you want to go into the multi-res modifiers of all of your separate objects and make sure they're at the lowest level. You can change the values of multiple at the same time by holding Alt and clicking. Next, you want to go to the baking tab and make sure it is set to normal and check the little bake from multi-res box. This is probably the easiest method of baking your normals because you don't have to worry about any of the cage stuff, and yeah, this is just the easiest one. This is the final result. I didn't bring into Unity quite yet because these are supposed to be models that I can use to model other models with. At least not these models exactly, more the atlas that I just made, the normal map atlas. Because later I could just go ahead and apply the material to the new objects and just assign the UVs in the correct location and it'll look like wood. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.